Hello dear students, welcome to maths class. Now we are going to draw trapeziums. Okay, first type is draw a trapezium ABCD where AB is equal to 7 cm, BC is equal to 3 cm, CD is equal to 5 cm, AD is equal to 4 cm and angle A is equal to 60 degree. Okay, that is 4 side and 1 angle are given here. Okay, so let us draw that. First step, yes, first draw our AB. What is length of AB? AB is 7 cm. So first draw 7 cm here. Okay, this is 7 cm. Then B is, now we need to measure this angle. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Okay, this is our AB. Then measure 60 degree at one end. Okay, this is 60 degree. So just draw that line. Then what is length of the, what is this side? What is the name of this side? This side is equal to AD. This name of the side is AD and its length is equal to, yes, 4 cm. So take 4 cm. Okay, on this line. Okay, this is 4 cm. So this angle is equal to 60 degree and this point is D and that length is equal to 4 cm. Now we need to draw, yes, CD and BC. Okay, so use your compass for that. Next we are going to draw BC. Okay, for that take 3 cm on your compass. Okay, 3 cm. So keeping this point as center, draw an arc here. Then next is, yes, CD. CD is 5 cm. So take 5 on your compass. Okay, then keeping this point as center, draw another arc like this. Okay, then complete our figure. This is our required trapezium ABCD. Okay, this is 3 cm and this one is equal to 5 cm and this angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and next we are going to draw this figure. 3 equal isosceles trapeziums. Okay, 3 equal isosceles trapezium. Then what about this figure? Yes, it is a triangle. Okay, so first draw a triangle of sides 5 cm. So next we are going to draw that figure. For that, first to draw a line of length 5 cm here. Then on your compass take 5 cm. First we are going to construct a triangle with the sides 5 cm. So first draw a line of length 5 cm. Then at both its end draw two arc of lengths 5 cm. Okay, then join this. So this is our triangle. Now we need to draw so see here we need this side. Okay, and what about this angle? Yes, this one is an equilateral triangle, right? All sides are 5 cm. That means this one is an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, one angle is equal to 60 degree. We know that all angles are 60 degree. Okay, then we know that these two angles, because the trapeziums are, the isosceles trapeziums are equal trapezium. Therefore, we can see that this angle and this one are all equal. Okay, that means the 60 degree is divided into two equal parts. Here also 60 degree is divided into two parts. Here also 60 divided into two parts. Okay. 60 divided into two parts means what is this angle? That is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, this is also equal to 30 degree. Okay, so measure 30 degree at its end. Okay, measure 30 degree. So it's 30 degree. Okay. So first, yes, draw this 60 degree. Okay. Then similarly, here also we have another 60 degree. Okay. So measure that also. 30 degree. Okay. So measure that also. So measure 30 degree here also. That is, yes, so 30 degree. And similarly here also we need to find out 30 degree at ends. So 30. Then, okay, now on this line, yes, draw a line of length 2 centimeter. Okay, by connecting these two lines. Okay, and similarly here also a 2 centimeter. Parallel to another line, yes, we need to draw a line parallel to this line. Okay, and a length 2 centimeter. For that, yes, place your set square exactly on the base. Then fix your scale like this. Okay, then just move your set square only. Okay, fix your scale and move your set square only. Then we need a line of length 2 centimeter. Yes, so here is our 2 centimeter. So just draw that. Okay, similarly, yes, here also we need another 2 centimeter. Okay, using compass you can draw this 2, and here also 1 2. Okay, then just join this, so we get our figure. So this is our required figure. Okay, draw this. Now we have this figure. Okay, that is 6 equal isosceles trapezium. Okay, do this one as a homework, and one more, this one. Okay, draw these two figures in your notebook. Okay, next we are going to draw quadrilaterals. Okay, nothing special, simply quadrilaterals. Okay, quadrilaterals, that means four-sided figure. Here you can see a quadrilateral. How many measures are given here? One side, two sides, second side, third side, fourth side, and one angle. That is, if we have four sides and one angle, we can construct a quadrilateral. Okay, that means we need 5 measurements to draw a quadrilateral. Okay, then how do we construct this quadrilateral? Yes, first draw a line of length 6 centimeter, then measure 670 degree at this end. Then 5 centimeter, measure on this line 5 centimeter, then take 4 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. Okay, then join that, we will get our quadrilateral. Okay, let us draw. So this is our question. Draw a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, QR is equal to 3 centimeter, RS is equal to 4 centimeter, SP is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle P is equal to 70 degree. So first step, draw our PQ. Okay, for that draw a line of length 6 centimeter, then measure 70 degree at its end. Angle P is equal to 70 degree. So measure 70 degree here. Okay, then on this line we need a 5 centimeter. because our SP is equal to PQRS. SP is equal to 5 centimeter. So draw a line of length 5 centimeter like this. Okay, 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This one is 70 degree, and this is 6 centimeter, and this one is 5 centimeter. Now we need, yes, so P Q Next we are going to draw this QR and RS. Okay, first RS means this point is S. Okay, and we need to get to that R. Okay, for that take 4 centimeter on your compass. On your compass. Keep this point as center, draw an arc like this. Then again take 3 centimeter on your compass. Okay, draw another arc of 3 centimeter. Okay, then just join that. And this point is our R. Just complete the quadrilateral. Okay, now we are going to draw this figure, this type of quadrilateral. That is, here we have 4 sides. Sides are 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and one more side, which is this one. Yes, this is one of the diagonal of this quadrilateral. Okay, so we can construct a quadrilateral if 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay. For that, yes, first draw a line of length 6 centimeter. Now we need to draw this triangle, this part. So 5 centimeter from this point and 3 from this, and we get a triangle of sides 6, 5 and 3. Then next we need to draw this triangle. Okay, for that this 5 centimeter and take 2 from here and 4 from here. Then complete this triangle. So we know a quadrilateral can be divided into 2 triangles. First construct this triangle, again construct the second triangle. Okay, so this is the construction. Now we have 3 more quadrilaterals here. Measurements are given here. Okay, according to the measurements you can construct these 3 figures in your notebook. Okay, so that is also a homework question for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 quadrilateral. Draw all this quadrilateral into your notebook. Okay, so that is the end of the chapter. Thank you.